The northern counties closely watching the weather today and into the weekend, still cleaning up from all that flooding from just a week ago.
Yeah, Eyewitness News reporter Derick Waller is live in Stony Point in Rockland County. Good morning to you, Derick.
Shirley, Mike, good morning. We are standing here in Charles Ecker Park, and Stony Point got hit so hard last weekend and into Monday. Residents are still cleaning up, and we had some more rain overnight, some heavy rain that actually caused some flooding in Orange County. Now, this morning, that heavy rain, nothing compared to what we saw last weekend, and hopefully it stays that way. But take a look at this video, because creeks turned into rivers last weekend here in Stony Point. Residents are still cleaning up, and today officials from the New York State Department of Financial Services will once again be out answering residents' disaster relief questions from noon to 8 today at the Sacred Heart of Jesus Covenant School in Highland Falls, Orange County. Now, that's after some residents who didn't have flood insurance got their claims denied. All week, officials in Rockland and Orange counties have been assessing damage, tallying up at amounts that people need to qualify for FEMA disaster relief. Meantime, crews have been working to make repairs with the threat of rain and more flooding looming. Here's more from the Orange County executive.
There's all sorts of information we're putting out to you there. National Flood Insurance Program, how you can get flood claims through FEMA. All that stuff's happening. So one of the other things that we're doing is we're still trying to get Orange County and New York, obviously, as a whole, designated as a federal disaster area. That has not happened yet.
And this morning, I can tell you that about 10% of Orange County is in the dark after they had a heavy rainstorm overnight. About 12,000 customers in the dark in places like Port Jervis, Greenville, and Unionville after that heavy rain. Behind me, you can see that caution tape. That's actually where that creek flooded on Monday, and so the water has receded there. But again, this threat of heavy rain continues. Reporting